in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Lafayette County in south-central Wisconsin, Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:48 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Argyle, or 10 miles east of Darlington, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Monroe, Brodhead, Darlington, Belleville, New Glarus, Brooklyn, Monticello, Albany, Argyle, Blanchardville, Summers, Wheaton, Dayton, South Wayne, Lamont, Browntown, Gratiot, Judah, Yellowstone Lake State Park and Jordan Center. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. This is the NOAA